Welcome to Dam ARG YouTube. This story where you won't hear so now Benin City for Edo State now for happen. This girl where you see for this video, her name na Faith Agbe. She say one old man wait there for 70 years bite off her ear. So she don't come call her Edokpai office. Come look for justice. Make I leave you make you hear from the girl. Wetin cause the fight wey make the old man bite off her ear.
Okay. Good afternoon. Good morning, good evening, my brothers and sisters, both home and diaspora, depending on the country of residence. You are welcome to our interview session this afternoon, where we discuss copiously human rights issues. Today we are going to interview one of our sisters, daughter Faith Agbe, the young beautiful damsel whose external ear pinna was beaten off by an old man residing at Eweka Street off Aduwawa Road, Benin City. She is right here in our studio. Look at me. Okay, look at the camera. Go. Waiting. Good afternoon. I'm talking to you. Can you speak correct English, pidgin English, or do you want to speak? Which one? Pidgin English. Okay. Go fit tell us your name.
Faith Agbe.
Faith Agbe. Okay. What really happened between you and that man? We come back to your ear like say this the vampire in be.
I did church.
You just start the date, time, and everything, yeah?
Now, last 2 weeks Sunday, and the thing happened. So I did church near my house, and my church there. So I can't hear a person come call me for church, say that they follow my mom in the fight, family, they follow my mom in the fight. Now, say, let me up really, let me quick go out, go rescue my mommy, come over for there. As I reach us now, the man and the wife and the daughter, they leave. He just gather my mommy. He just gather my mommy. They beat my mommy. Kumbo. Say in a commissioner of police, retired commissioner of police.
Wait, is saying a retired commissioner of police or retired police officer?
Yeah. Retired police officer.
Okay.
Say if he do my mommy something, say nobody.
If he kill me,
if he kill my mommy, nobody go ask him. As if they beat my mommy for ground and they use shovel take they beat my. Now I say me you hold the shovel, me as one is at take knock head. As I you hold the shovel and I say you take put it for my ear. He never they drag with me. Say as I you hold the shovel and say you take put it for my ear, you bite the ear for one. The ear they say man, me release them, me they go my back now. You not going release them. Put on for say man more than 30 minutes. The ear come they say man, you not going release them. People come dey tell me for the year don already weak before I put am for ground, and when they want go my foot now, not let them go back again. Now I come go police station. As I go police station,
which you told the station where you
I come go police station for Aduawa. Aduawa police station for Aduawa. As I go there now, I come go write statement, I come go report. As I report now, they come give me paper, may I go hospital. As I want you comot na let the man come. As the man come na I come dey talk to police. Police come say make you enter kata. He say no dey enter. Say na commissioner of police. He with police they come dey talk. As police dey talk na police come give my mommy paper. May fair go hospital. May go treat me first. As we reach specialist na they come reject me for specialist. They say make I go for UBTH. As I reach UBTH na they say the ear don already weak. Then they come admit me. They say they'll do me surgery. The surgery is about 800,000. They will do me surgery for my ear, not on top of the things when I don't do the money I don't spend since then they come. So now I want begging, I mean, help me fly to Kumbo with the Pikin and Link, with the family. They say I don't get anything I will do them. They say they keep my mommy finish their door or something. They say I don't get anything I will do them. My family don't fear us. Men help me fight Okumbo. Men help me fight Okumbo with the family. Men help me fight. As I did hospital that day now I say may I call my father, may bring cloth for me. May I wear. Now my brother call me. My brother call me say they kidnap my daddy. My daddy they one at us. No know wetin dey happen. His son last born, he can't carry boys with stealing motor with gun. They can't go take carry my daddy for us. Or the way of where can I be my daddy? They carry him for us. They beat him. They every boss here herself. They beat him. They beat him to away for gutter. They even see carry him come out. They kidnap and come out. As they carry they come out, now vigilante for street. Consider they carry out the way for where can I vigilante to show the boys because the boys who come. Now the vigilante come as I say now my audio where they not fit carry and come out. Now they put a drop and down. Since then now my daddy the hospital. As I they talk to you now, if in between life and death, now they tell me call me this morning now say if he go make an God, may now help me fight Okumbo and the pikin Eli.
Okay. Wait, no. Waiting really happen. But you know analyze and work for us. Waiting happen will lead to that quarrel. You say they call you for judge.
No, my mommy send my junior sister message. He send my junior sister message. May go give person money. Now he hold on for good. Say he go beat am, nothing go happen. He say he go beat am, nothing go happen. Say he get money, we not get money. Say we poor. That means that say if you not get money, it concern you. Who not get money? They follow person wey get money they stay. Now he also beat my junior sister. My junior sister come cry, reach us. As he reach us, now my mommy come say wetin dey beat, wetin dey beat you? Say na Eli beat am. Eli beat me, say yes. Now my mommy come say okay. Now my mommy come outside, I come go meet the Eli. Say abeg no beat my pikin again. You don reach to born this kind pikin. You don reach to born and no beat my pikin again. Now the Eli mama come outside with the papa say he go beat am. Wetin go happen? If he beat am finish, nothing go happen. If he still beat am, still kill us, say he go see space for our head, say nothing dey happen. Now my mommy say if he kill us finish, people go ask you. They say now the man and the woman with the family, they all take cross come up for the outside. Their compound. They come our compound. They come our compound, come they follow us the fight. Now our compound, my compound, front of our outside, now they for fight me. They for fight me, the man come bet my ear. The whole shovel they beat my mommy. One is they bust here. That's I hold the shovel and I may not bust my mommy head. Now they bet my ear. I don't know say na my ear now be the target. It's like it plan come for me. I bet me na help me fight this Okumbo.
Okay, mama. Now your picking this one.
Now me and my daughter Queen Agbe Faith. I sent my last born, so me go buy me something. As on the way, see he no come. Now because I just say they cry, they come. I say waiting. He say Eli dey wele for road, they beat am. Now say wetin happen? Say no do anything really. You know they no dey do anything. You go just dey after these children. Now I take wetin say no talk to am. This one 46 years woman with 14 years baby. Now say now I take come out. I say I beg go. When I leave this pikin alone, I beg. I send pikin message and go dey wele am for road dey beat am. You read this one na your pikin wey you go born. Now for the mother of the Eli just take come out, open gate. He say he go beat am. He go beat am. If he beat am finish, nothing go happen. Now say you enter her. If you are a good mother, you need to question your daughter. Say this one is a baby to ram. It's a baby to ram. Make you know they beat am again. Now they tell me say he go beat am. Now so get pikin no dey spell another person yo. Now I make am for Edo Parable say omo me when I go yasan wa mo romo vision mo ita. Now say man leave us alone, no get money. If they follow get they stay. I beg una, me beg una with the name of God, wanna leave us alone. He say if he beat us finish, he go spend money on top of an from there. His papa and his mother just take come out with the three of them. They just gather me, begin to beat. We shove everything. They hit my wrist. I don't know my daughter, they go call my daughter for church. As they don't fall me for ground now, they beat. Now my daughter follow and they drag the shovel where you want hit on my head. And for that, you're from me back. Come. You just take it. Carry my daughter here. The next thing, they just separate us. Then they ask what did they happen. This man not greet us. Oh God, what did they happen when they fight this woman with her daughter? It nothing happen. You don't get what they want explain. The next thing, as you want your talk, you just throw away the ear for ground. Now they say, Mama Faith, see your pikin here for ground. You don't throw ground for mouth. Ha! Now I pick my pikin here for her. Now I say, make una see oh.
With the ear.
The ear there with me.
So you can check my
Now I say, now shout. Now I say, Egbe Kamana come oh. Now I begin to shout. Now I begin to shout. See how we take on go station. As I reach station, now government, now police say, Oga Osumbo, now you eat this pikin like this. You say be retired commissioner of police. Now they say, oh yeah, Oga enter cell. He say he cannot enter. He say he's a commissioner. He's a retired. Then they say, Oga, if you be retired commissioner of police, you need to eat a little baby like this and just eat it. You are a bonfire. Then the police say, you are a bonfire. You are a tagger to the street and to the area. You are a lion. Then the police say, Oga, madam, take this pikin. Then they just write, say, carry and go UBGA, specialist. When I reach specialist, they say they cannot do it. I should go to UBGA, that is Ugbo Ward. Now I go there for Majesty Ward. And when they just see the baby, they quickly respond. They respond. They say, oh, madam, the ear already weak. They have to do surgery of 800,000. Government.
They say they want to do surgery.
They say they want to do surgery put. So now they do admission for there. As we dey there, blood cloth when you wear, blood dey. Now nurse come tell say make I change the cloth. Now I call them for house. Now I call my oga, my son. Now I say make he bring cloth come for me oh. Now he say they don't beat daddy oh. The man son, Okunbo son, went to go and bring boys with 3 car loaded with gun, hefty guns. Before that, they don't enter the street. They tell everybody should enter inside. Enter inside. They drop my husband come out on inside. They begin to beat him. Begin to mash him. As the man they want run, they clear him, fall him. As they gather and beat the man, bust the eye. Then they try inside their motor. They go. As they go. Now they call a vigilante from the street. Say make vigilante come out oh. They don't kidnap Odionwe, they don't beat Odionwe kidnap oh. Ah, now the vigilante come out. They just surround all the Aduawa, Mecheli and Kojo, Songo College Road. They surround everywhere. Now there they come to see my oga. Hand don't beat am well. You know even fit talk. Now there vigilante carry am go hospital. Government, he say if he kill us finish, he say go spend money on top of our head. He say we not get.
Okay, which step you don't take further? Which step I don't take further? Aside, you should have go report for police station for 2 hours. They don't do anything. Now don't go another police station go report.
And we don't go CCI.
Okay.
We go CCI. We go report. So police can't give us.
Keep to heal us.
We can't go the man house. As we reach the man house, now the man come out for us. He come out for us with the family. So the police can write notes, wait for the man. Since now the man, the tenant wey dey the house now, they give the man the notes now. The man not going respond to police. He not going go show himself to police. He dey go on now.
So since then, the man not there.
Not there.
What of his wife? If
they not there, but not only a tenant. Now they feed. Now they feed. They wish they. Only a tenant. Now they feed.
The dog where they live. Now tenants they give us food.
Dog. They're not going show people person where their landlords dey.
Probably okay. Waiting. Since you don't report for police now, police don't make step to go arrest the man. Don't see they don't see the man. Until you see she say police answer down where I do. Since they see I did try, Abi?
Yes.
So what you come now make government and public and everybody do now? What will be your demand now? Answer first.
I want me to help me fight this man. May they help me sue this man to court. May he pay for my damage.
So you are demanding. You are demanding. Wait now. You are demanding for justice.
Yes, justice. I need justice for my family.
We need justice. We need justice from government. Obaseki, we can see governor. We need justice. Ewa Ogidigan the second. We need justice. Oyoba.
So
Obi Oba Ekin, Obi Sesiesi, Mani Oba. So that is Okumbo. Obi Agbi Obi Oba. So not to Buhari, Oba Ewa Ogidigan the second. Obaseki, we can see governor of Edo State. Not to Buhari Nugume fete batona imeti negbeme ibera imeje awa make your mind you know ni agbi mekweku owe mi ro pajo wi mego ena buwere ne rame nugbina no bo e omo wa tu gwerare era gbina no mo ena buware.
Yes, so you get any other thing you want. Another thing you want to talk. Where do you near that? No, I don't want to see that one. Okay. How you continue to treat yourself? How you continue to treat they go you say now UBTH?
Yes, they go UBTH.
And they go UBTH every day.
Yes, every day.
Two days.
Every time they go UBTH.
2 days, not they go UBTH.
I dey spend less than 10,000 naira every time I go UBTH for the cleaner, everything. The
injection.
Treatment wey dem give me. I dey spend less than 10,000 naira every 2 days.
More than 10,000 or less than 10,000?
More than 10,000.
Okay. So, but you not go hospital today?
I go yesterday. Now tomorrow I will go.
Tomorrow?
Yes.
Where your daddy now?
The day hospital.
Your daddy is in the hospital? Which hospital in there? Okay, not disclose them. In the hospital. So now, who can't do now? As well as the stay now.
We not dey house o. I not dey house since 2 weeks now. This is where his son Okumbo's son go bring boys with FFT gun. So we not dey house now. Outside na my godmother house. Now they stay. Now outside I dey with my daughter wey dey eat here. We dey forget they go UBTH. Now they take care of me, they feed me.
Okay, as you can see, you have heard from the Yossi Smart, Faith Agbe, and Amanda. Their demand is for justice to prevail. Whether the girl is troublesome or not, according to Imafidon Dixon, it is not enough for the old man to bite off I hear things are not done like that. There are different ways of fighting issues like this. You can go to the police station and report the matter. Police will definitely do the needful. It is not advisable for one to take law into his or her hand. It's not advisable at all. It's not advisable. So as you go reach there, they can't say as you go there, listen, you did like video, now why they behave like this? So as you go there now, they can't talk, see they no fit they no fit gum the, they no fit put the ear back.
They say they no fit gum the ear back. So I can't do surgery.
So you can't do surgery.
Yes.
Operation.
Yes.
So the operation now, how much? They say you give it age.
800,000.
800,000.
Yes.
You say the man could release. Also, you say the man cut the ear, leave her for months.
Leave am for months.
He not true and sharp.
He keep am for months.
He put am for months.
He not go release am for good 30 minutes. He not go release am for months. They come they toss me for the year. May release the ear. May they go my back. He not go release am. He tell when they release am now when my mommy pick am now. Then they put am back and they say dog week. Say no fit come week. Now come go specialist. So that don't feel quickly stitch am back. They say they don't feel. They come if I was going UBTH. As you reach UBTH, and they say the ear don't already weak.
Yeah. But this should not just first day before. Now not even the quarrel. Now not even the quarrel before.
They not do for the girl trouble. Anybody they pass for the street, the girl will just they worry everybody. Go just they trouble everybody. If I pass, no they let me they pass. If I pass, he go say I no get body, I no do this one. I no even the man, I no even the talk to myself. My junior sister, 14 years old girl, no get what he do. That one they pass money time. That one say never look your face. Now see your color. Say as my mama, as my papa, your mama no get money to make trouble. He go make trouble. He will go give us trouble. Trouble go tire us. He use the talk. The girl use the talk like who frustrate. He no marry, no be weak person wey no marry. Everybody for street na enemy. He no get friends for that street. He no get friends at all. Everybody na enemy.
So, but this obviously now only you and I, or I lay your man, and so that the girl can follow the fight. So, but not alone I did that street sha.
No.
Where be say now only you now.
He don't see fair time when they say something for you. They don't see fair time. He with his mama. Even one, he said last
2 weeks. He fight one woman.
Last 2 weeks now. Be last 2 weeks.
Last month now. A month.
He don't fight. He fight one woman. The woman come meet him and give her money. He say you know they hold the woman. Then the woman say they hold and he carry money for you and take pay for lapo. He say no they hold the woman. Make the woman come on. Now say mama and the woman just come outside. They just watch the woman. They beat the woman for ground. They don't they let us. They don't they let me they drink water. They keep cup for ground. Every time the girl go they trouble me.
And you not get what you not to the drag.
No, for in a 46 years. In a 18 years.
I think in a 40-something years. Not me.
46 years. 46 years.
Wait, not married.
46
years. No, not be marriage
years.
matter with the talk now.
He go use it for
46 years. You dey 18 years.
If mama and papa go know say if pikin na trouble somebody, they'll join am. Instead of the papa and mama to conscious with they all join am. They fight.
They fight
for streets.
Okay.
You dey 18 years. This girl where they fight you that day 46. This lady where they fight her now 46 years. 46 years old. They fight 18 years and 14 years. Man, help me look the gap where they inside. 40 years and 18 years. And 46 years. Is it mates? Governments. The man wey bet my daughter here now was 70 years. 70 years. He bet a year and he begin to chew am.
I no dey drag anything. I no dey follow the man dey drag anything o. I no dey follow the man dey drag anything. Na me with my man. Even senior my daddy sef. I no near the man. I no do the man anything. I dey give her a respect as a father. As a father, give her a respect. I dey always give her a respect. He no
Papa,
suppose do this thing to
papa.
me. He no suppose do this thing to me.
Always respect am.
That man is a
Respect
very
am.
wicked man. If na me na help me fight this Okunbo. Wey he say na lawyer
Okunbo,
for me, say
S
nobody go
Okunbo,
fight me.
S Okunbo. Eli. Wanna help me fight am o, government. And his son wey go bring boys. His son wey go bring boys. Wanna help me fight am, government. I no get power of myself. Any power when he want you, God will destroy am. Any charm when he want you, God will scatter that charm. God will expire a plan.
Friday. No problem. We are free. We are free on Friday. Next Friday, right? Yes. Yes.
Now we don't hear from this girl, Faith Aigbe. Let us know what you think concerning everything where she don't talk now for this video. You hear the way she take explain how the fight take happen. Let us know what you think for comment section. And before you go, also help us share this video to friends and family. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, I beg try make you subscribe so that make you for day current with all the things where they happen for Edo State. So make I leave you now, make you help us share this video. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.